Login failed on Acorns Later Fix. You open your Acorns Later app to check your retirement balance, but suddenly you can't log in. Login failed. It's frustrating, but most people get this wrong. The problem usually isn't your account, it's a few simple technical hiccups you can fix yourself. Start by checking your internet connection. Acorns requires a secure, stable connection to access your financial data. If your Wi-Fi is weak, switch to mobile data or toggle airplane mode for a few seconds to refresh your signal. Next, check for updates. Open your App Store or Google Play, search Acorns, and tap Update if it's available. Outdated versions can sometimes lose compatibility with Acorn security servers, especially after new app rollouts. Then, manually re-enter your credentials. Don't rely on autofill. Most people get this wrong because stored passwords can contain old or invalid login details. If you're unsure, use Forgot Password to reset it. If it still doesn't work, clear your app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Acorns Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app to wipe temporary data that may be causing the issue. Also, if you're using a VPN, disable it. Acorns login system may block masked addresses for security reasons. Turning off your VPN often allows a login request to go through normally. Finally, try logging in through the Acorns website. If that fails too, it could be a temporary server outage. Just wait a few minutes before trying again. So when you see login fail on Acorns Later, don't panic. Check your internet, update the app, type your password manually, clear your cache, and turn off your VPN. These quick steps solve the issue in most cases, and you'll be back to growing your retirement savings in no time.